My next step is to show two social media posts that I have made, one for the US and one for the UK, and to compare and analyze how visual elements on them will engage and persuade each country to reduce and eliminate racial prejudice. In the UK, I have put on an image of 8 adults, each putting one of their hands all together in one. According to the Module 4 notes, having an image on social media will attract the eyes of viewers on social media, so having an emotionally engaging picture is key to being persuasive on social media. Having each person in the image put one of their hands together will imply that they are cohesive together, which persuades the viewers that ethnically diverse people are able to make positive connections with each other. Having 8 adults will be more convincing to the audience, as it creates more room to have a more accurate representation of ethnical diversity in the country compared to only having a couple of people in the image. Since Twitter is currently the most relevant social media site and hashtags easily stick in the heads of Twitter users, the Module 6 lecture notes say that putting in a hashtag will be appealing to the viewers, so I put a hashtag that says race forward that will make users remember the movement better. The logo of the United Kingdom features a white person and a black person with half a heart each of their own color, and they push it to where they can come together. This will appeal and be memorable to the viewers of the UK, since the two halves form one whole heart that is two different colors, which is unusual because a heart may only be seen as one color, but also because the black and white heart can appear as a symbol of unity for people of different races. In the US, I did put in the same image and hashtag, but there are some minor differences that may be more effective on a US audience compared to a UK audience. While Americans do use hashtags, they may also need a simple and commanding but encouraging slogan in order to persuade them to eliminate racial prejudice. So I put a box on the top of the image that says "Make an Impact." Also, there will be a different approach for how US viewers react to their logo compared to how UK viewers react to theirs, as the bolder colors and outline in their image will make the US viewers excited about the idea of decreasing racism.